Oh, this looks like a very exciting story. Which one should I read? Let's see here. Oh, workbook. Oh, okay, I guess it's workbook time.
I can help you.
Oh, alright, thank you, big ugly hand.
Okay, this is pages 6 and 7 of the Let's Go 3 workbook, and we're still going to talk about things at school, but this time, instead of talking about one person, we're going to try to use the yes-no answer, and we're going to try to talk about more than one person too. First though, let's talk about some vocabulary, some of the new words, and all of these words were covered in our student book, and this is what they sounded like.
Magnets, scissors, calculators, colored pencils, rubber bands, push pins, paintbrushes, staplers.
Great, now let's write them in. You have to look at the picture and write it on the line. These are magnets, so I will trace magnets. M-A-G-N-E-T-S. Magnets. Done. Number 2, these were push pins. Push pins, push pins, push pins. There is the word push pins. Be careful because it has a space in the middle. So push, space, pins. Called push pins because I push them into the wall. And next, these are staplers. Let's find staplers. Calculators, scissors, colored pencils, rubber bands, paintbrushes. Staplers is on the bottom. Let's write that. S-T-A-P-L-E-R-S. Staplers. Number 4, these are calculators. Where is calculator? There it is. Calculators. Calculators. C-A-L, calculate, calculators. Calculators is done. Next is these 3. These are scissors? No. Colored pencils? No. Rubber bands? Yeah, that's them. Rubber bands. We'll make sure we're careful of that space in the middle. Rubber, space, bands. Rubber bands. Okay. Next are these 2 here. These are scissors. There's scissors right there. Scissors. S-S-O-R-S. Scissors is done. And then we have these 4 here, and these are paintbrushes. Where are you, paintbrushes? Oh, there it is. Paint space brushes. Paint. There's paint space brushes. Paintbrushes. All done. The next one are these guys here, and these are colored pencils. All right, let's write that in. C-O-L-O-R-E-D, colored space pencils. P-E-N-C-I-L-S, colored pencils. And part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and in this part, we're just gonna ask a yes/no question. When we do that, we always put the helping word first. So this time, we're talking about have, and our helping word is does, because we're talking about one girl or one boy. So does he, she. Let's just trace this question first. It says, does she have any staplers? And again, when we're making a question, we're going to use the word any. Does she have any staplers? She has scissors and colored pencils and magnets, but no staplers. Let's say no first. No, comma, and then it's a girl, so heap she. Does she? No, she. No, she. And then we have to match the helping word, does, so we write doesn't. No, she doesn't. Okay, next is this little boy here. Let's start with our helping word, does. And then because it's a boy, we'll write, does he have any scissors? Yep, right here. So we can say, yes, comma, he, does he, yes, he, and then does. Yes, he does. Period. Okay, last one. It's a girl. So do you think we should say does she or does he? Okay, does she? Does she have any push pins? And I look at this table and it's a big no. No, she doesn't. Period. Okay, done. Let's go to part C. Okay, this is part C and it just says write. So we're going to be looking at this picture and writing a question and an answer. And because all of these pictures have more than one person, we can't say he or she. We have to use the word that means more than one. And that word is they. All right. Here was the question and how it looked in the student book. Okay, and we can start. What do they have? They have, paintbrushes. So here we'll start with they. They, and then because it's they, we don't need any S, so they matches to have. They have some, these are paintbrushes. Paint space brushes. Good. Period. Next one, there is no question. So I have to just write the question. They have some scissors. Let's go ahead and write the question. What do they have? Question mark. They have some scissors. All right, number 3, these two girls. Oh, again, the question is missing. So we can just write the same question again. What do they have? They have some magnets. Good. And the last one, this boy and this girl, and there is no question and there isn't an answer either. So we're gonna write the question first. What do they have? And these are push pins. So we can say they have some push pins. They have some push pins. They have some push pins. And I forgot to trace these. All right, part C is done. Let's do the last part. Okay, and this is part D, and we can give our hands, our tired hands, a break because we don't have to write anything. It just says read and circle. Here we go. Do they have any colored pencils? No. So should I circle yes they do or no they don't? I should circle no they don't. And again, we're just matching here to the question. It always matches. So the question says, do they? No, they. And this helping word is do, so it can only match to do or don't. Do, don't. All right, number 2. Do they have any push pins? Right here are some push pins. So we'll circle yes, they do. Number 3, do they have any magnets? Well, here are some magnets. So again, yes, they do. Number 4, do they have any rubber bands? Scissors, paper, paintbrushes, paint, colored pencils. No rubber bands. No, they don't. Part D's done, and the pages are done. Good job, everybody.